Y'all, it's Lola from The Cat and Lola Chaos. I'm just going to add a few rules to the channel.
Rule number 1.
Please no being creepy to me or Cat.
Rule number 2.
If you know us in real life, then don't share our personal information.
Rule number 3.
Do not ship us. Our dynamic is sisters or best friends. By my peeps. Editor's note. As I was making this, I looked at my keyboard and thought, wow.
Is that fucking brown chain?
Hello, it is Cat from the Cat and Lola Cast, and I'm just here to add a few things from Lola. First up, please don't like. Actually, just do what Lola said. I can't even think anymore. Just do what Lola said. As well as that, I'm just adding things that we might do in the future if we feel comfortable enough, slash voices can sound decent. We might do a voice reveal, and that's a really big maybe. And it'd probably be more likely to be me than Lola, but anyways. We're also currently doing 2 collaboration animations. Yeah, we hope you guys are gonna enjoy those. We hope you enjoyed the collab that we already made with the last video with the drama skit animated. So yeah. Bye. Have a good rest of your day or night. And we love you guys. Bye.